here we have one problem, x equal to 2 minus root 3. Find x plus x over 1 equal to 1 over x equal to how many? So we will just plug in the exact number in it. 2 minus root 3, which is x, plus 1 over 2 minus root 3, right? And here we will use, we want to get rid of the root 3. We need to time a plus. Use the method a plus b times a minus b equal to a squared minus b squared. Once it is squared, we get rid of this square root, right? So equal to the first number, we copy it, plus 2 minus root 3, 1 over 2 minus root 3. We need to time 2 plus root 3, and on top times 2 plus root 3, right? So copy the same thing. Because we didn't do anything on it, we need to work on this part. Plus 2 squared, a squared minus b squared. A squared, which means 2 squared is 4, minus b squared, which means root 3 squared minus 3. And on top is 2 plus root 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. It becomes this one. 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3. So we can cross cancel. This is a cancel culture again. Equal to 2 plus 2, 4.